In this tutorial, I will show you how to bobble stitch in a contrasting color. We're using the Fair Isle crochet technique here. So I've already done a few rows here to start, so you can see what we're trying to accomplish here. I'm following this little pattern, and this is the same way that I typed up my yarny pillow pattern, which I'll link below if you guys are watching this to help with that pattern. The bobble stitches are only showing up on the right side of the work. So this is the wrong side of the work and there's no bobble stitch. And the right side of the work is your bobble stitches. Each row of bobbles is separated by a row of single crochet, and each bobble stitch is separated by a bobble crochet this way too. The white denotes white color yarn, and then the purple here denotes a purple color yarn. So for this row, which is the row that we're doing next, the middle of the E here, I'm going to do 2 single crochet in the white, a bobble stitch with purple, a single crochet stitch with purple, and then so on. And that's what we're doing here. I need to chain 1 from the last row. Each row you're only chaining 1. I'm going to do 2 single crochet in the white. For the color change, we're not going to end that second stitch here with the white. So we're going to finish this second single crochet with the purple, since the next stitch is purple. Pull this white stitch pretty tight. And now next in the pattern is going to be a bobble stitch with the purple. So if you watch my other video tutorial on how to do a bobble stitch, it consists of 5 double crochet in the same stitch here, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 5 double crochet in the same stitch. I'm going to pull this purple tail a little tight. I should have 6 loops on my hook, which I do. To finish that bobble stitch, we're going to pull through all 6 loops. Because the next color is still purple, I'm not changing the yarn color. I'm following the pattern that way. Each bobble stitch needs to be separated by a single crochet, so the next stitch will be a single crochet. Okay, and do another bobble stitch now. Stitches, 6 loops on the hook, pull through all 6 stitches, single crochet, and then I'm going to do 1 more bobble stitch here. So I'm not going to finish this bobble stitch with the purple since I need to do white for the next stitch. So I've got my 6 loops. I'm going to hold the purple to the front, or to the back, I'm sorry. I'm going to pull over the white using this Fair Isle color changing technique from where we last left it. Make sure this isn't too taut here. I'm going to tighten the purple like this, leave it to the back, and then single crochet. I have 4 stitches left in the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, chain 1 and turn. And then, you can see I'm starting, the E is starting to divide. Now, I have a row, so we just did this row here. I have a row of single crochet. Now, every time you face the right side, you should be doing a row of single crochet. So, let's do that. Turn, and now this row we're only going to do 1 bobble stitch, and it's the purple, so I'll show you how to do that. Single crochet 2 with the white. Don't finish that second stitch. I'm just going to grab the purple from wherever we left it, pull that through, make sure we zip the top, but pull this white one taut. Bobble stitch with the purple. double crochet into the one stitch here. Okay, you should have 6 loops on your hook. Now we're going to leave the purple since the next stitch is white. Pick up the white, pull it through to finish the bobble stitch with the white, preparing us for the next stitch. There we go. Pull taut on that last purple string that we had. Okay, and now the rest of the row is just single crochet with white. And there you have it. That is bobble stitching in a contrasting color.